Now that you know how to create your own ads, I'm going to teach you how to clone your competitors' ads, or could be any ad that you saw in Facebook, Instagram, or Threads. So to do that, we need to go to Meta Ads Library, and here we need to choose this option. Now in the country, we're going to choose all. In category, we're going to choose all ads, and here we need to search for the owner of the ad that we want to copy. For example, my competitor is Arcats, that is very similar to NovoAds AI, but is much expensive. So now I'm going to copy this link. Here I'm going to close this. So now I'm going to tell to Claude that I want to copy the static ads of Arcats. So let's write to Claude. I want to copy all the statics ads of Arcats AI. Here you can see the ads that they have in Meta Ads. My brand is NovoAds AI. Here you have the link. Ask me anything if you have a doubt. Now let's press enter. And now we have to wait a few minutes because Claude is going to analyze the information. Perfect. Now Claude is asking us how to access to the information of NovoAds AI. So the first option is that I sent to Claude the screenshots of the website. The second option is that Claude is going to try to search for the information of the website. And finally, it gives us the option of giving more information about NovoAds. I'm going to choose the second option here. Well, Arcats AI have an offer for the first month that you can try it for a 30% off discount. In NovoAds, we have a $1 trial. So here I'm going to choose that instead of using the 30% of discount of Arcats, in our ads, we will use the $1 trial to keep the user attention. So let's choose this option. Now is asking again for the language. I'm going to choose English. And here is giving us three options. I'm going to choose the second one, where we will create 19 creative. So let's choose this one. And now we have to wait for Claude. I forgot to say that here, Claude found all the static ads that Arcats have. So these are the ads that we're going to copy. Perfect. Here we have the new ads. And as you can see, the style is the same as the Arcats ads. But I asked to Claude to create an HTML so we can see the before and after of the ads. So in a second, I show you the result to you. Perfect. Here we have the result. As it says here, there are 6 ads that weren't able to copy perfectly because I didn't give to Claude, for example, a screenshot of NovoAds. For example, in this first ad, I didn't give to Claude the screenshot of the landing page, but you will see that in most of the images, the result have the same style, but adapted to NovoAds AI. As you can see here, happened the same, that I didn't took a screenshot of the pricing of NovoAds, but the ad that Claude created is really good. Here we have this example that we talk about, that we replace the 30% off for the first month for the $1 try. Now we have more examples that are really good. This one looks amazing in my personal opinion. And well, you can see that the functionality works really good. Here we have an example that is very similar to this one. So well, I hope you like it. As you saw, we only used, I think that one prompt to create these ads. So well, after saying that, let's begin with the next section of the tutorial.